Top 5 Side Hustle Ideas to Make Extra Money. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to supplement your income has become increasingly important. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply increase your financial security, a side hustle can be a valuable tool. While the digital age has brought about numerous online opportunities, traditional side hustles still hold their ground and can provide a steady stream of income. In this video, we'll explore 5 traditional side hustle ideas that can help you make extra money. 1. Pet sitting or dog walking. For animal lovers, pet sitting or dog walking can be an enjoyable and profitable way to earn extra money. Many people require assistance with their pets when they're away at work or on vacation. You can offer your services through flyers, social media, or local pet care websites. Caring for pets not only provides companionship, but also gives you the opportunity to spend time outdoors and stay active. However, it's important to be responsible and reliable when taking care of someone else's beloved pets. As a pet sitter or dog walker, you become a trusted caregiver for furry companions, creating a sense of reassurance for pet owners. Your responsibility goes beyond basic care, encompassing feeding routines, playtime, and possibly administering medications. Developing a bond with the animals under your care can be incredibly rewarding, as their wagging tails and purring contentment become indicators of your dedication. Adhering to schedules and ensuring the pet's safety are paramount, reflecting your commitment to their well-being. By offering these services, you not only provide peace of mind to pet owners, but also contribute to the overall happiness and health of the animals you cherish during your side hustle journey. 2. Handyman Services. If you're skilled in fixing things around the house, offering handyman services can be a lucrative side hustle. Many individuals lack the time or expertise to complete small repair tasks, such as fixing leaky faucets, painting, or assembling furniture. By offering your assistance, you can help others while earning extra income. Building a reputation for being dependable and skilled is crucial in this line of work. Word-of-mouth recommendations can go a long way in establishing a steady stream of clients for your handyman services. 3. Event or party planning. If you have a knack for organization and creativity, event or party planning could be a profitable venture. Many people struggle to organize and execute memorable events due to time constraints or lack of expertise. By stepping in and offering your services, you can help clients create memorable experiences for their special occasions. From weddings to birthday parties to corporate events, the possibilities are vast. You'll need to develop strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work within a budget. Building a network of vendors and suppliers can also contribute to the success of your event planning side hustle. From coordinating the decor to managing guest lists, event planners play a pivotal role in ensuring that every aspect of an event runs smoothly. Attention to the smallest details, such as seating arrangements and entertainment choices, can make a significant difference in the overall experience. Your creativity will shine as you craft themes and concepts that resonate with your clients' visions. Moreover, effective communication skills are essential for understanding your clients' preferences and translating them into a seamless event. As you witness the joy on your clients' faces during their special moments, the sense of accomplishment from successful event planning will be truly gratifying. 4. Gardening and landscaping services. If you have a green thumb and enjoy spending time outdoors, offering gardening and landscaping services can be a rewarding side hustle. Many homeowners lack the time, expertise, or inclination to maintain their gardens and outdoor spaces. By providing services such as planting, weeding, mowing lawns, and pruning trees, you can help clients beautify their surroundings. Gardening and landscaping require a good understanding of plants, design principles, and the ability to work with various tools and equipment. You can market your services through local advertisements, community bulletin boards, and word of mouth. As you build a reputation for creating stunning outdoor spaces, you'll likely see a growing demand for your services. 5. House cleaning and organization. In a busy world, keeping the house clean and organized can be a daunting task for many individuals and families. If you have a keen eye for cleanliness and a knack for organization, offering house cleaning and organization services can be a lucrative side hustle. You can help clients declutter, clean, and create functional living spaces. Your services can range from deep cleaning to regular upkeep. And you can even offer specialized services like closet organization or garage decluttering. Creating a strong work ethic, being reliable, and maintaining confidentiality are essential in this line of work. Word of mouth can play a significant role in attracting new clients. So ensure that your customers are delighted with your services. While the digital world has opened up a plethora of online side hustle opportunities, traditional side hustles continue to be relevant and effective ways to earn extra money. Whether it's providing pet care services, offering handyman skills, or event planning, there are various avenues to explore based on your skills and interests. When considering a traditional side hustle, it's important to choose something that aligns with your strengths and passions. Additionally, time management, reliability, and a commitment to delivering quality work are crucial factors that can determine the success of your side hustle. Remember, a side hustle not only helps you earn extra income but also provides a platform to develop new skills, connect with your community, and achieve your financial goals. So, don't hesitate to explore these traditional side hustle ideas and embark on a journey towards financial growth and personal fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing those digital dreams.